Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me once again, Tech Easy. In this beautiful video, I'm going to be showing you how to make excellent professional looking flyers with Canva. You know Canva, your favorite photo editor tool. So you hit your Canva app and you open it. You can only get Canva at Play Store, or you can use it in the web canva.com. So for this time, I'm going to be using a free version. I have a pro version, but I'm using a free version so that people that would have pro version can easily cope with me. So once you load, you open your design and you see what you want to make, but you just go and browse what you want to make. So since we are making a flyer, first of all, we are going to put birthday flyer. In case you are making for birthday, there are a lot of templates you can use. The ones who have crown on top are for pro version, while those who don't have anything are free. So we'll leave the ones that have pro version. Just go for this. But since we are not doing, we want to make a business flyer. So just stay on, we are going on. So you head back to your design and put business flyer. Then once it loads, you see the flyers you can use. Don't forget, ones who have crown are for pro version. So you will choose this one. This one looks good, the color looks good. So you can easily move the picture by putting replace, and you can choose any picture in your gallery. For now, I just want to show you how to change, so we'll just go for this one. Then you just edit the picture agency and turn to the AG or whatever I want to put. You can put name of your company there. We are a creative business company, whatever. So I want to use this picture instead for the cover, so I'll just put it to replace this one. So you can then exchange what you offer. You put what your company is offering. So you just can easily delete it and put what chat generated for your within AI. I'll just be adding skills, then professional develop website development. I'll also be adding skills, all of them. Professional website development skills. Yeah, this is absolutely free. So you put phone number, please. You edit your phone number by clicking on it. You just remove everything. Then you put plus. You put the number that you want to put there. So once you finish putting it, then here you are. Then once you are done, you just go to check any other thing you want to change. In that company, I'm gonna want to change a lot of things. So this Salford company can change it if you want. You can also change the color, change whatever I want to change in it. So you can anything you want to change, you can change it. You can change the shape, you can change the text, anything. So you can just put this as tech ag since now it's just for this tutorial video, and just put everything, make sure everything is in order. Once you are done, you click that save button on top, the one who has an arrow and down, and for a while you see your design is going to load, and here you go. We have our free for free. If you like this video, please, I would like I want more of this. Just subscribe to my channel so that you get much more videos like this. Thank you for watching this.